Hi and welcome to Coding with Jesse. I'm Jesse Skinner and today I'm going to wire up the delete button. Actually, there isn't even a delete button, but the delete function for my administration so I can actually delete some of this dummy data. And I could put a delete button here, but what I'm thinking is I'm going to put it on the edit page. So if I go into edit, I have save post. I think I'm going to make another button here that's delete post. So let's go into my edit page, and I'll add another button, type equals submit as well. And the way I'm going to differentiate these, let's first wire it up. Delete post, button, warning, I think it is. Refresh that. Maybe button error. I want it to be red. I want it to be scary. Bootstrap buttons. I forget what the bootstrap buttons. W3 here. Danger. That's the word I'm looking for. Danger. It is dangerous. I don't want to accidentally delete that. Type equals submit. I think I do want that. I just want to be sure that if I hit enter, actually that's not going to be possible. I was worried that if I hit enter on the title or something, it's going to accidentally delete the page. I don't think that's the case. So anyway, the way I'm going to tell these apart is I'm going to give them a value. I'm going to give them a name and a value. The name is going to be submit. The value of the one is going to be save. And the value of the other, it's going to have the same name, submit. The value is going to be delete. So what I'm going to do on the server is have a look at the submit value and decide whether I had clicked save or delete. So, in fact, I don't even need to do that. How about I just I'll make the save button not even have a name, and I'll make the delete button have a name, have submit delete. The reason I'm going to do that is because I just remembered the way I'm saving my data is that I take all the form fields and submit them to the database. And I don't want it to save the submit key to the database. So when I'm deleting, I don't use the params at all. So that should work. Let's try it out. Okay, I'm going to refresh. If I hit delete right now, it should actually just save it because my code on the server, it actually says bad field error. See, that's what I was trying to avoid, is because now I have that submit value. But if I click save post, it works. Because what happens is when you don't click a button, then the name and value of that button don't get sent. So that's kind of the trick I'm going to use here. Okay, so what I need to do is change my server code, which I have admin.js here. Let me just close these others. And what's actually going to happen here is it's going to come into the edit page right here where I'm saving. And what's going to happen is I need to look at the request.body. And what I'm going to say is if request.body.submit equals delete, then I'm going to delete the post. Otherwise, I'm going to handle it the way I was before. So how do I delete the post? Well, I'm going to use my same handle request function I made last video. And instead of calling update, I'm going to call post.model dot, what do I call it? Destroy or something. Remove. So remove. I'm going to pass it the ID. Remove. I'm going to pass it the same ID. And that should be it. So let's see if that worked. Could it be that easy? So if I click delete, is post 7, it's gone. So let's try editing. Test 5 edit. Save that. It's still there. If I edit again and I click delete, it's gone. So that worked. That's great. So how about I just clean this up? Don't really need any of these. What happens when they're all gone? Maybe there's a bug. Nope. It just looks awful. So let's take 2 seconds and make this look a little bit better, and then I'm pretty much done most of the admin. So where is my client side. Do I have any CSS? No, I don't. So actually, I'll do that in another video. I'll do just a wrap up of the admin. I still need to add some kind of user login, and haven't really given that much thought because I don't have a users table or anything like that. I was thinking of using maybe YouTube login to secure the site because, you know, a lot of you viewers are probably YouTube users, and probably that'd be an easy way to log in. Or maybe GitHub would be another option, maybe both, maybe Facebook, maybe something else. So if you have an opinion on that, please let me know in the comments. Something I'm going to think about before next video. So anyhow, well, thanks for watching.